Hi, welcome to this section. We're going to talk about how you can make 10K daily with your small business. How you can make 10K daily with your small business. I know many of you will be wondering, is it really possible? I'm not just talking of 10K on sales, I'm actually talking of 10K as profit. 10K naira actually, I'm not talking of dollars, naira. So let's go on quickly. Number one thing, you have to be online. You have to be online, not because you like being online. Not everybody likes to show their faces on the internet. And so many people would rather never have their faces on the internet. But well, you have to be online because that's the norm now. That is what is happening in this century. And since you're existing in this century, well, you have to be online. If you're not online, you cannot make as much sales as you want to make. So number one thing I'll tell you is for you to get online. Set up your space online if you really want to make profit in your business. That your small business can give you massive income if you're online. Okay, now you're online, you're probably on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and all of that. Another thing is, that's our second point, get verified. You cannot just be online and expect people to buy if they don't trust you. Because online, well, there's no physical contact, just the internet communication. So you want to make sure people really trust you to buy your product. So you have to get verified. Now, getting verified, you have to verify especially your Facebook profile. Make sure your Facebook profile has your original name. I mean your original name. Because when you're trying to get your account verified on Facebook, they're also gonna ask you for passport or some means of identity. Use your original name in detail. So when you are getting verified with your means of identity, there won't be a conflict. So make sure you get verified with your means of identity, especially for your Facebook profile. Then your other account, you can use your business name and all, but make sure you are verified as well. If you're not verified, it's difficult for people to trust you. They don't know you, they only see you online. So do something that can make someone trust you. Get your account verified. It can also serve as a means of advertising. Tell them your accounts are verified by all those medias. It helps people to trust you. So you want to sign up with Google My Business. Sign up with Google My Business. Now, why signing up with Google My Business helps your account to get publicity. It also helps people to trust you because with Google My Business, it has to do with your location. So since you're dealing online, Google My Business will demand of you to put a location. Now, that location could be your house address. So once you sign up with Google My Business, it creates another kind of stronger trust. Another thing Google My Business does for you is that Google My Business helps your account to be searchable, helps your business to be searchable. Now, how does this work? When people go to Google, most times they go to search. Google is a search engine. People go there basically to search. They just go on, how can I do this? How can I do that? Where can this happen? What's the meaning of this and all? So Google is a search engine. So if you are selling a product and you're on Google, when people search for how they can buy this product, where they can get this product, your name is going to pop up because you are already a verified business on Google. So Google My Business is very, very essential, very, very essential that you get verified and sign up an account with Google My Business. Another thing you want to do is put a countdown timer. Now on your business pages, put a countdown timer, especially for those that are coming for the first time. You want to put a countdown timer. Okay, you can get this item in the next 3 hours at this discount. So once that person just come on, your timer just starts counting. It helps to create a sense of urgency. We are naturally procrastinators. So when there is that timer counting that, oh, I can buy this item for so less a price, if I can do that now, that timer helps to create that sense of urgency and the person will just do back, and then the person has gotten the product. So always use that countdown timer. It helps a lot. It helps to create that urgency. As the countdown timer is there and someone just comes onto your profile, it helps to create that sense of urgency, and before they even know what they're doing, they've paid for the product. So using a countdown timer in your small business helps a lot to make people to frequently buy from your small business. So the last point here is tell people about your business. Tell people about your small business. The fact that it is small makes it a secret already. And you don't want your business to be a secret. So go on and tell people. Tell as many people as possible about your small business. Tell people on the streets, encourage word of mouth. I already did the video on how you can work with word of mouth. Encourage word of mouth. Tell people in your neighborhood, tell family and friends, and of course, run adverts. Tell people about your business. The fact that your business is small makes it hidden already. So many people are not aware of it. The only way to make people aware of your business is by telling people about your business. So when you encourage word of mouth, you work house to house. So if after telling people about your business, you've told everybody about your business, now it's time to do follow up. The more your product gets on, the more your products stay on people's faces, the more their tendency to buy. So many people find it difficult to buy from the first instance, but subsequently they would eventually buy. Now another thing is because people don't know you, so at the point where they don't know you, they are your cold audience. Now I want to take them through being cold audience to becoming a warm audience, and once they become a warm audience, they can buy your product. Now another thing is how to make them your warm audience. It's a video I'll do for another day, but notwithstanding, these steps are practical. If you implement them properly, they are sure to get you even more than 10K rolling into your account every single day. So let me know how you're able to do yours. If you have any struggles or challenges and anything that is not going well, let me know what that is. Then I'll be able to help you. And of course, I'll be glad to help. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to my channel and let me know the kind of content you'll be interested in.